Alright guys, so this is going to be the unboxing and review of the X4 Jet H123d. Alongside it, you'll notice we also have the Hubsan H122d X4 Storm. Okay, so straight off the box, you notice that the box is a slight bit bigger than the original Hubsan X4 Storm. Okay, out of the box, you notice we have the picture of the X4 Jet. Okay, we do also have an image of the new transmitter that's supplied, H123d. And it does also explain that it does have brushless motors, 720p high definition camera. So as far as the camera, the quality is supposed to be a little bit better than the original X4 Storm. The charging time is about 170 minutes, okay, pretty standard for the size. 360 flips and rolls, 7.6 volts, 980 milliamp LiPo batteries, and it also does have a 5.8 gigahertz video transmission. Okay, it does also support the 16 gigabytes to 32 gigabyte SD cards, and if I'm correct, let's see here, it's not actually included, so you would have to supply your own. Okay, just like the X4 Storm. All right, so out of the box, let's go and pop this sucker open. All right, cool. So this is the actual drone itself. So let's take that bad boy out. All right, so right off the bat, you'll notice that it does have the tri-props. Okay, they're clear. You can also notice that it does have the brushless motors. Okay, I don't know exactly the specs on the motor size because it does not describe. I will look into the manual later on to see if there's any descriptions on that as well. We do have the 720p camera. You notice that there will be a little bit more carbon fiber. I guess it's better, it's more durability, but I guess it all depends on how we fly it too. The battery is also strapped in, okay, and let's see here. So the battery is significantly a little bit larger. It's got the 980 milliamp, 7.6 volt, 25C LiPo battery here. That's supplied as well. Now, if you notice, the X4 Storm, this originally had the 710 milliamp, 7.6 volt, 30C discharge batteries. So supposedly this battery is supposed to last you a slight bit more. They rated at about 10 minutes, but I guess that's something for us to find out. Okay, putting this battery to the side. Okay, so let's see what else comes out of the box here. All right. So right off the bat, I'm sure you guys already probably know. Okay, we have, ooh, all right, we have the supplied screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Okay, let's see what else comes out of here. We also have the additional battery. Okay, so it looks like we got a bonus battery here. Same size, 980 milliamp, 7.6 volt, 25C discharge. Okay, so that's two battery guys, two LiPo batteries. I don't know if it was a mistake or if it was something that was intentional. I guess that's for Hubsan to explain. All right, cool. So I can't complain about that. It does also have the 5.8 gigahertz antenna. Okay, this will be for the transmitter. Okay, putting that to the side. You do also have the 2.4 gigahertz, which is also going to be integrated into the transmitter itself. We have the supply charger. Okay, pretty basic. It does have the USB plug as well. And yeah, pretty standard. It looks like it only fits one size, but yeah, we'll see if that works out. Okay, cool. So let's see what else. All right, that's it with that side. Real quick. So we have extra props. Okay, it comes with 1, 2, and 3, 4 props. Okay, so these are tri-props, guys. Let's see what else comes in here. All right, cool. So that's it. So we have, last but not least, we have the sun shield. Okay, something we're gonna have to put together. I'm sure it's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but let's get this figured together and we'll get this applied onto the transmitter. Okay. All right, cool. So putting all this to the side, let's see what's the last thing. Oh yeah. All right. So the transmitter itself. All right. So this is going to be the HT012 transmitter. Okay. So as you can see, we will probably be applying the 5.8. So this is all labeled, guys. So 5.8 goes here. Okay. All right. 5.8 goes there. You got the 2.4. Okay. And let's see here. All right. So as you can see, the battery is not supplied. Now you can use, it says here you can use, I don't know what it doesn't really describe what kind of battery you can use, but it does have a JST plug here, okay? So most likely I'll probably be using my Admiral 1300 2S 7.4 volts 30C LiPo battery, okay? Let's see that. Yeah, that'll fit for sure. So because you have extra space in here, so we'll get that in there, okay? All right. All right, cool. So it does have, most of the things on here are labeled. You'll have your dual rates here, and you also have your let's see here, your camera. Okay, so your rates. Okay, and you have your camera button here, and you also have your video button, and you'll have your different settings. Okay, so I don't exactly know what this is, FMD, but we'll find out what this exactly does. I do know that this will have the acro mode. So if I'm correct, it's going to have the manual, which is going to be stabilized, and then sports, okay, which would be the second toggle. So yeah, so you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the top will be manual, second will be, I believe it would be the sports, and the third will be acro, okay? Unfortunately, guys, I don't fly acro. I'm still kind of new at this, so if I do a flight test, which I will at the end of this video, probably just going to be flying on manual mode, guys, okay? It does have, I think that's pretty much it, yeah. So you got your on and off switch, you have your controls, you have your trim levels here, okay? So yeah, real basic. You obviously have your onboard screen here to be able to see live feed, okay? And we'll probably just take this off too. All right, cool. All right, guys, so that's the unboxing. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's everything that comes out of the box. I'm a little excited to find out how this is going to fly. I'm also curious about the flight time on this and to see exactly how fast it can go too. All right, guys. All right, so stay tuned and we will get the flight test out there for you guys. All right.